Ever wonder why some business videos grab attention while others fall flat? The secret isn't expensive equipment, it's great storytelling. Studies show that 84% of consumers feel more connected to a business after watching a video. That connection happens when your video tells a story that feels real and relevant. Here's how to make your videos more engaging. First, focus on real moments. Use your phone to capture behind-the-scenes footage, customer interactions, or a quick message from your team. Authenticity builds trust. Second, pay attention to trends. Scroll through social media and note what grabs your attention: music choices, editing styles, or recurring themes. Adapt those ideas to fit your brand. Third, always include a call to action. What do you want viewers to do next? Visit your site, book a call, leave a comment. Make it clear and easy. Good storytelling doesn't require a big budget, just the right approach. How have you used video to connect with your audience? Drop a comment below, and if you found these tips helpful, hit share and help others improve their video game. Want expert guidance on your video strategy? Let's talk. How's that for a strong call to action? I'm Paul Gannon for Thoughtcast Media. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.